Okay, it's kind of a shitty view because I'm doing this on my phone. Piston Port Derby. It's been a long time since I worked on this bike. It's still filthy, as you can see. I got this bike from retired Ghost Rider Kyle, and it's kind of a basket case. So I rebuilt the motor and put a 70 kit on it. 70 Metra cast iron with the VM18. And I'll show you on the other side, but I've got a Zen pipe on here. I originally had a circuit pipe. The wiring was a fucking mess. The clutch was all wrong. So I rebuilt the motor, yada yada yada, kitted it. Ran it for a little while, didn't really dig it. The piston port motor is super fucking torquey. With the 70 kit, it was like impossible to keep the front end down, but you're not going over 85 unless you put like a Gila or something real nasty on here. So I said, screw the 70 kit, slapped it on the shelf. Since I already given away my stock cylinder to Jared for his stock piston port Derby that he got from Chad Burke. I had to find a new cylinder, so I got a 50cc Metra on here, still the VM18. Still the Zen. Got a dose variator on here now instead of the stock 3-roller. Went down from the yellow springs to blue springs to try and like make it a little bit more tame. Finally, years later, got around to fixing all the wiring. This shit's a nightmare because it all runs through the frame. So I just tied some new wires to one of the old ones, pulled it through so everything's clean and out of the way. Everything's clean besides the bike. I will do that next. But here we go. Haven't really run this bike since last year, so it's a little smoky, but it's running good. Time to give it a paint job. By paint job, I mean scrub it, because it's fucking dirty.